Write out this number using words. We have 5,421,904. So let's start out with our millions place value. And we write that out using words only. 5 million. And I'll put a comma after that to separate the millions from the thousands and the ones. So we have 5 million. And then our next round of digits is going to be 421,000. So 421,000. And put a comma after that too. Now to finish this guy out, you have 904. So there's no, well, let's put it this way. There's a 0 in the tens place value, so you don't say 14 or 24 or whatever it would be. This is just 904. So 904. So in words, we have 5,421,904.